Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video I'll show you how you can sign up a new Facebook account. So let's start. First of all, go to Play Store and download the Facebook app. Then after, open it. After you open the app, you will find a screen like this. You can either log into your existing account or create a new one. Since we are signing up, tap on Create a New Account. Then tap on Get Started. At this stage, you can either continue with your existing Gmail account or you can create a completely new account. Since most of us already have a Gmail account, let's continue with one. Select the Gmail account that you want to use. Then after, enter the name that you want to use in your Facebook. Then after, tap on Next. Now select your date of birth. Then tap on Next. After that, select your gender. Then enter your phone number. Make sure to enter a valid phone number since you will get a verification code. Now it's time to set a password. Keep a strong and reliable password that you will understand. Then after, tap on I agree. It might take a few moments to create your account. Now it's time to confirm your mobile number. Select the method by which you would like to receive the code. Then tap on Send Code. After you receive the code, it will automatically confirm the code. After you confirm the verification code, you can either add a profile picture at this stage or simply skip this step. In order to add a profile picture, tap on Add a Picture, then select the photo that you want to keep as your profile photo. Otherwise, simply tap on Skip. Then after, you can customize various settings based on your preference. After you complete those steps, your new Facebook account will be successfully created. Now you can add friends and use various other features of the Facebook app. So in this way, you can easily sign up on Facebook and create a new account. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.